So now, of course, coming here. So finally, we are leaving. This is meet pilot in Goa. How are you? Hey guys, welcome back to.
Life with the Sequeras.
So finally, we are leaving Mangalore to go back home. And as I said earlier, we are going to go to Kudal first, and from there we'll head over to Mumbai. It's with I don't know, with a lot of memories, of course, but we are sad to leave Mangalore. Wish we could stay for some more days. Unfortunately, not happening because of my work and baby's work, and there is upcoming school as well, preparations.
He's already got a project.
He's already got a project, yeah, so we need to work on that as well. And of course, as you all know, our house renovation work is going on, so we need to get back as soon as possible, or else these workers won't work. That's how it is, you know that well. So we're leaving now. We're gonna just have breakfast first, and then we're gonna leave, say our byes to everyone. So Bagu, Aajsa Divas.
Kasa jato?
And for breakfast, we have buns. Wow, love it. This is tea.
That is tea.
Ah, one bun is already ready.
It is.
There are more. Oh, okay.
Outside.
See, if my garam garam walk, my mobile also can't take it. Nice. And the ready ones are here. Wow. Thank you so much for everything.
Come.
Yeah.
No problem. Welcome. Bye. Yeah.
Congratulations, come to Bombay.
Sure. You stay here only with me. There are also schools, so many schools.
Sure, you say bye? Okay. Chalo, we'll go, okay?
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
What do you want? So guys, we just reached Kolwa beach. Not beach, actually we wanted to come here to have some lunch. Many of them told us go to this place and have. So I'll show you that place. So we have parked the car and we are heading over for lunch now. What is he doing? Huh? What are you doing? Why? Oh, you have your lime juice, Baba. So guys, we just got done with our lunch. To sum it up, we had fresh lime soda, a very refreshing burst of some nice lemony goodness, and also we enjoyed that. And then we went ahead with butter garlic squid dry. If you see, there were these tentacles as well. That was something new. I usually didn't expect that at appetizer thing, but it was there. But they were tasty. It was soft and juicy, and it was dry butter garlic. I wanted that white cream one. Unfortunately, I didn't get it. Then we had the prawns masala Goan style. That was really good, but it was a bit sweet. So we told him, get some Szechuan sauce, and then we added in some Szechuan sauce, and then it tasted better. And then finally we also had prawns noodles, hakka noodles. That was good. And eventually the ultimate favorite, kingfish thali. There were a lot of things. There were rice, there was curry, fish curry, there was the fried fish, and some 2 vegetables, coconut vegetables. I don't know what it was. Mama, what it was? Any idea what it is called? Cabbage tha usme. हाँ. So Mama had the entire thali. We couldn't have because we were engrossed in having other things. And now baby is like she wants to do some shopping. So we'll take her there and see a few things so that we can buy for the entire family. So now, of course, coming here and seeing all this, the girls are quite fascinated. So mom and baby have gone inside. Right? Where they have gone, God knows. So we are buying some hats, is it? Tell him men's hat. Huh? Tell him, no? He'll show it to you then. This for Dada? This way you don't? You like it or what? Men's hat यही है ना सब? Men's का? You Dada, but ask him, call Dada and ask him video call करके देखना what type he wants. If he'll not like this, then for us problem.
Like that you like?
That look good also, yeah. Black one looks good. Brown also looks good.
Brown is there, light, dark.
Should I wear? What do you think? Brown is good for me. Huh? Should I try this? Looks good on me. Or should I wear brown? I like this brown one.
But you don't take small, you take big one.
Big?
No, small no.
Maybe what have you decided on? You have taken 3 bags. That also नहीं भैया वो भी देखो ना. You're taking this? Single piece ही बच्चा है. And we are taking hat for dad. We are taking this one.
Dada.
For Dada, there were Loisi auntie. Then
Mummy.
Preeti.
This is for me.
Nice.
One same for Anu. Because she has same.
Same. Correct. Which one you are liking? Give me your bag, I'll hold it. So उधर भी है ना sling. If you want that also, sling bags are there. Choose whatever you want. Maybe feeling hot? Way too hot. So हाँ, वो भी डाल दो. So we got something for Hriday also. Everybody we got, right? Ah, look at the hat. Finally bought something. We bought many more things, as you already saw in the vlog. And now we are heading over to our friend's place. They were with us in Palava as well. Who's calling mommy?
Mummy.
They also are waiting to meet us. And we got some things for them. They don't know about it. So now we'll head over to my friend's place. We'll meet them 15 minutes and then we'll head over to Kudal. Finally,
Oh my God.
we meet Pilot in Goa. How are you?
Good.
Lovely, nice.
Welcome. I'm good. Please come. Yeah.
Hey, so happy to see you. How are you? Wow, lovely. Goa ka feel, yes.
How are you?
क्या बोल रही है पब्लिक? How are you?
Hello.
Missing Palava, not Ray?
Yeah, missing a lot.
That's my mom, by the way. And that's, you know, Hriday, my son, yeah.
Only while playing cricket.
While playing cricket only, और कुछ नहीं, yes. Chalo, bye guys. See you soon. Take care. Bye. Daddy and Mummy are there. Hi. Oh, it's pitch dark. बंद करता हूँ गाड़ी पहले. Baby. क्या डैडी किधर घूम रहे हो? क्या है? क्या हुआ आपके नीस को?
कुछ नहीं यार.
कैसा नीचे देखे आप लोग?
नहीं इधर तो मम्मी गई थी नीचे.
हाँ देखा मम्मी को आते हुए. नाइस.
हाय सोना. बबलू. हाय. हाय. हेलो. ये काय सामान घेते ते मला.
What are we taking now, baby?
No, only that blue bag.
Blue bag किधर है? We'll come now again. निकाली क्या अभी? Oh, just take my iPad now from there. That is the only thing.
Bag.
अरे वाह कितना ब्लू बैग्स है? 1 है, 2 है, 3 है, 4 है. कौन सा ब्लू बैग अभी बोल रहा है? चल. अम्मा कम. खाने का सामान हाँ we'll take that yeah.
Laptop is this and this one.
हाँ this one. Hey, give it here. Give.
This one, no?
Yeah.
Mobile.
So we'll take it all later. Come.
Yeah. All
Very
things and
humble.
stuff.
Thank you. We reached. Oh, it's better to take it like this. I parked the car there.
Keep it up.
Yeah, keeping it up only. I think this is Hriday's charger.
Yeah.
Oh, my body. We reached. Keep it there. We are now going to the down house. Uncle is out, Hero. Come on. Yeah, all the dogs are well fed. Chalo. You're cute.
हम लोग पहले वो घर का स्टार्टिंग में उधर.
Daddy will now tell his history. See the difference, yeah. 1 week we came here, it was totally different, and now it's totally different. हाँ शादी का घर ना
हाँ उस दिन
अलग दिख रहा था, आज अलग दिख रहा है. मेरे को कल गाय को मिलने का है. Baby, you also eat. Baby, you also. Take it. Leave. So guys, we are in Kudal now, and we're gonna sleep. It's way too hot, too difficult to bear this heat. But now we are gonna have a good time here in Kudal. We'll tell you what all we are going to do tomorrow in the next vlog. And Pooja is fine, though she was vomiting while she was traveling. She's fine now. So now we'll just rest and see you in the next vlog. So असा होता आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर
लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा
आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.